What's going on, guys? Got another cheap juice review for you today, and that is White Lightning Vapors. I went ahead and ordered the whole line. Um, Pretty decent so far. That's what their labels look like. We're just going to roll right into it. I actually haven't vaped them too much because I spent most of the day yesterday building my new DNA 200 mod. That's not coming in at all. Come on, focus. Whatever. It's a DNA 200. Rockin'. DNA's definitely stepping it up. Holy shit. Alright, so let's just jump right into this. Let's see. First one I'm going to start with. I'm just going to drip these on top of each other like I always do. And we'll go from there. The first one I'm going to do is Unicorn Cake, which you can guess. These are all in 3 milligram. They come only in 80/20. I didn't see a selection to pick on different VG, PG levels. This is 80/20 Unicorn Cake. As usual, I'm doing it on some giant Claptons. This is on my Wafoto Cube Addy. And this DNA's got plenty of power for it. So let's go ahead and do Unicorn Cake. So Unicorn Cake, as you could probably guess, is a strawberry shortcake. Put this off to the side so I know I already did it. Let's give it a little test here. Yeah, I will tell you one thing I did notice with these juices is that, at least with the builds that I do, they require a lot of power to get the flavor out. I was doing them, my 26-650 batteries are shot, so I'm waiting for new ones to come in, so I was doing them on one of my 18-650 PWM boxes with some big Claptons, and I wasn't getting the flavor that I was pretty sure was there. But now with this bad boy, it's definitely coming through. Gobs of vapor. Good flavor. This one is, it's a little more muted. I get more of the cake than anything else. Just a hint of strawberry in there. It's like a candied strawberry, maybe. But overall, pretty good, pretty smooth. The flavor profile is there. It's just it's not as strong as some of the ones I've had like recently, like the S&S by Speed Vapor. But that's that's a $22 juice, whereas let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 60 ml bottles cost me $50 from White Lightning Vapors. So what can you say, really? It's good. It's just a tad weak on the flavor. That being said, it could definitely be like an all-day type thing where it's not going to overpower or give you a vapor's tongue, things like that. The next one we're going to do, we'll stick with the strawberries. I'm going to go right into the strawberry lemonade. Very self-descriptive. Let's give this a drip. One, two, three, four. I do like these bottles. They are like the plastic's kind of hard, so you have to squeeze a good amount. I bet as you use them, though, they'll soften up a bit. Yeah, it's already pretty vapey in here. It's just gonna get more vapey, so the video looks real grainy. It's vape. It's a nice smooth juice. Get mostly the lemonade out of it. A little hint of strawberry on the exhale. A lot of juices that have citrus in them are real strong on the throat hit. And this one's not bad. It's pretty smooth. It's like a sugary lemonade. This is a Cantal build too. It's not a temperature control build. I'm just going to do a little bit more of this one. Clean up the flavor a little bit. See if I get any more notes. Yeah, so mostly the lemonade coming through. It's more of a true strawberry on this one that you do get. It's it's a ripe strawberry, kind of fresh. Yeah, I'm gonna keep coughing. This is a monster build. Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty good. You get mostly the lemonade, but again, it's not a really strong flavor. It's kind of like a sugary lemonade where it's on the sweet end, not on the tart end. Maybe kind of like a Country Time lemonade, but not as strong, but on that sweet end. It's pretty clean flavor. It's a nice clean vape. It'd be good for if you do get a little, if you want to change it up, if you want something that's not so heavy on the flavor. Alright, so then we'll move on to Super Cereal, which I believe is like a Fruit Loops. We all know that I like that, if you watch me at all. Been running nothing but Captain Loopy from in my thing. Maybe they'll change this. Let's see. Nice bottles. I can smell this here. It smells just like Fruit Loops. Yeah. Yeah. So this one's a little bit truer to actual Fruit Loops. I get a lot of them. You just get the lemon flavor and the cereal flavor after that. I'm not really getting any milk that I can taste in it, but definitely a cereal. And I'm getting it's like just taking a scoop or a handful of Fruit Loops. Definitely getting more of the absolutely getting more of the rest of the flavors in Fruit Loops, which is welcome because, like I said, generally all I get is the lemon out of it. Pretty good. Sorry. So I don't know if I'd rock these in a tank, but they're definitely good for dripping. Alright, so the next one we'll do is their Berry Blast. Let's give this a shot. I think it's just mostly berries. Smells good. Smells a little flowery. Let's see how I like it. Definitely get a berry flavor. There's a little something extra in there though, like maybe mint. Mint or some sort of thing like that. Definitely tastes some green in there. They could be going for just a really fresh berry. It feels a little menthol-y, but I don't taste any menthol, but the feeling of it could be, if there is mint, that would be why. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly on that one. That one's not my favorite. I haven't even tried this Orange Dream yet. So let's see how this goes. These ones, the oranges typically are just okay for me personally. I'm not a huge fan of them, but I'm guessing it's like an orange dreamsicle. So let's see how this goes. Oh, I gotta open the top up. With these, I like to just kind of barely crack them, and it seems to be easier to use that way. Putting this DNA 200 through its paces. Oh, that's actually quite nice. Real smooth. It's not really not getting any of that cleaner flavor that you get sometimes. Doesn't taste like orange glow. Smells. It's nice and smooth. Getting some of the cream. Mostly just a kind of a light, nice, fresh orange flavor. This Addy's getting really hot. Even the Delrin is hot. Yeah. Solid orange flavor. I gotta say, of the oranges that I've tried, this is probably my favorite. Just because it's not overpowering. It's just like a nice, sweet, smooth orange flavor. Not like an actual orange, more like a, kind of like a dreamsicle. Yeah. Good stuff, guys. The price is right. Check them out. Give them a shot. If, you don't like them, it's $50. I'm sure you can pawn it off on somebody, sell it, whatever. But I like them. I'll probably vape them all. It'll keep my juice collection pretty stocked for a bit. And, once again, do I keep spending, I love this one, but do I keep spending $22 on this? Or do I buy this for, I think, what was it, $12 or $15 for a 60 mil? I mean, price is right here. Honestly, I'll probably order the White Lightning. That's about it, guys. I'll see you around. Hope you liked the video. If you do, subscribe. That'd be awesome.